In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ELEGOO Neptune for 3D printer. The ELEGOO Neptune for Max is an advanced 3D printer designed for high-speed performance and substantial build capacity. With dimensions of 79-inch dx69, wx29h and a weight of 18.1 kilograms, it boasts a spacious build volume of 16.53 inches by 16.53 inches by 18.89 inches, 420 by 420 by 480 millimeters, suitable for creating large models or multiple smaller objects simultaneously. Equipped with Clipper firmware, it achieves impressive printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second, with accelerations reaching up to 8,000 millimeters per second, making it ideal for rapid production using recommended filaments. The printer features a dual-gear direct drive extruder with a 5.2:1 reduction ratio, enhancing extrusion efficiency and filament feeding. Its high-temperature nozzle design accommodates various filament materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and nylon, reaching temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius. Enhanced cooling systems and automatic calibration through acceleration sensors ensure precise printing quality while also reducing the risk of nozzle clogging. Additionally, the machine offers versatile connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, U-Disk, and LAN, allowing for easy operation and file transfer. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3D printer is a versatile and innovative device designed for both hobbyists and professionals, offering advanced features to enhance the 3D printing experience. Constructed from metal and weighing 9.2 kilograms, it has dimensions of 17.8-inch dx19.8, wx19h. The Kobra 3 supports multicolor printing, currently accommodating up to 4 colors, with plans for an 8-color capability through the upcoming Anycubic Color Engine Hub. The intelligent design includes features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, and drying, all aimed at ensuring efficient operation. With impressive high-speed printing capabilities reaching 600 millimeters per second and equipped with vibration compensation technology, the printer delivers smooth, high-quality results. Additionally, it introduces a multicolor printing experience through a collaboration with Pantone, allowing for the creation of personalized designs. The Anycubic Kobra 3 combo is designed to be user-friendly, featuring easy assembly, pre-installed components, and automatic leveling, making it an excellent choice for those looking to explore the creative possibilities of 3D printing. Number 3. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D printer. The QIDI Technology Q1 Pro 3D printer is a fast and precise printer with dual Z-axis motors and Core XY system, allowing for high-speed printing while maintaining quality. It features automated calibration, filament smart detection, and active heating chamber temperature control, making printing easier and more efficient. The printer is ready to use out of the box, with a 1080p HD camera for monitoring and time-lapse photography. It supports a wide range of materials and has an optional activated carbon air filter for an upgraded printing setup. Compatible with laptops running Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, this 3D printer supports various file formats including G-code, STL, OBJ, 3MF, STEP, and STP. Number 4. Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. The Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer is designed for efficiency and precision, boasting a generous build volume of 11.8 by 11.8 by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters, and a rapid printing speed of 180 millimeters per second, exceeding industry standards. Its stable triangular structure minimizes vibration, ensuring higher quality prints, while the lattice glass plate enhances model disassembly and flatness of the hotbed. Furthermore, the ultra-silent TMC2209 driver creates a quiet printing environment, complemented by an open-source motherboard that allows users to experiment with G-code. It features built-in filament exhaustion detection and a resume printing function, which intelligently pauses printing during filament depletion or power loss, allowing users to continue where they left off. Conveniently, the printer comes 90% pre-assembled, making it ideal for beginners, and is backed by lifetime technical support and responsive customer service from Longer. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 V2 3D Printer. The Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer by Kobra is a pre-installed aluminum printer with dimensions of 17.24 inch x 16.7 x 18.58 h and a weight of 17.2 pounds. It is compatible with laptops and personal computers. The printer features easy assembly with only 3 steps required: a CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling System, a brand new 4.3-inch UI user interface with model preview function, a PC spring steel magnetic build plate for easy model removal, and a silent motherboard for quiet operation.